In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and use the note-taker meeting view inside Monday.com. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can see exactly how to move from your main Monday.com workspace into a meeting, and then how to work with highlights, transcripts, and participants. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating this view on your own and using it to better understand what happened in your meetings. First, open your browser and go to your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace or account. Give the page a moment to load so all of your boards and views appear properly. This home area is your starting point, and from here we'll jump into the note-taker experience. Once you're on the home page, look for the option or banner that says "See it in action." This is usually linked to a demo or example meeting designed to show you how the note-taker works without you having to set everything up from scratch. Go ahead and click See it in action. If a new tab opens, that's fine. Just follow it through so that you land on the meetings page product view. When that demo meeting opens, you'll see a summary style page for the meeting. Somewhere near the top, you should see a search or filter bar. Click into that field and type the word highlight. This is a simple way to show you how searching works inside the meeting view. Typing highlight will help surface any sections, notes, or snippets that are marked or described with that keyword. This is especially useful if you're trying to quickly jump to key moments from a long call. Next, look for the tab or section labeled Transcript. Click on Transcript to switch over from the summary into the full, time-ordered record of what was said in the meeting. Here you can scroll through all of the spoken content. This is where search becomes powerful. Anything related to highlight or any other term you search for will appear in context so you can see exactly when it was mentioned. Finally, move over to the tab or section called Participants and click on it. This view shows you who attended the meeting and may also include information like speaking time or contributions, depending on how your setup is configured. It's a great place to quickly confirm attendance or understand who was involved in key parts of the discussion. And that's it. You've gone from your Monday.com homepage into a demo meeting, searched for a keyword, viewed the transcript, and checked the participants, giving you a clear overview of how this meeting note-taker experience works.